Okay, the inside. Today we're unboxing and trying on the products for the Ipsy Glam Bag Plus for October 2019. Hey, it's Amanda. Thank you so much for clicking on this video. Welcome back to my channel. Thank you so much for taking a few minutes out of your day to hang out with me. Today I am excited because the Ipsy Glam Bag Plus for October is here. I also received the Ultimate, which will be done in a separate video. I also want to compare Glam Bag Plus to BOXYCHARM because there's a lot of talks about these boxes are a flop for October. Spoiler alert, it kind of is, for Ipsy at least. I haven't done BOXYCHARM yet. I know I'm looking a little bit rough because my hair is all over the place. It is raining, so I have a beanie to try to make it look a little bit better. I have a lot of feelings about Ipsy Glam Bag Plus, and if you can tell on my face, I'm not that excited about things. If you're wondering which products I received, how I achieved this look, and why I'm kind of about this month's box, definitely keep on watching. Before I jump in, I'd really appreciate it if you consider subscribing to my channel before you click off this video. I post new videos Monday through Friday of subscription unboxings, beauty hauls, first impressions, eyeshadow palette reviews, and more. All right, let's get unboxing. Ooh, okay, we got orange foam this time. That's new. We have seen blue, yellow, and now orange. I guess that's for Halloween season. And it says, discover yourself. It used to say something else, which I don't remember because I toss all my boxes. And, okay, the inside. I don't know. I have a lot of feelings about Ipsy Glam Bag Plus and Ultimate this month. We're going to unbox the items first, and then I'm going to try them on. Fair warning, I'm not going to be using all of these products in today's video. Some of them are actually going in a giveaway. So the first product is the Dr. Brandt Microdermabrasion Age Defying Exfoliator. I got an email from Ipsy saying, choose your item, and this is the item that I chose. I have used this before. I really enjoy it. I just don't need one right now. I still have one, and I also have their exfoliator in the blue packaging. I am going to set it aside for a giveaway, either in my Thanksgiving, holiday, or 1K giveaway. It's a $79 value item. I've already used it, and I really like it, and I don't really need one. I figured that would be a great way for one of you guys to be able to try it, especially at that $79 price point. For me, I really wasn't crazy about the items to choose for this month's box, so I just chose the high dollar item just because I knew I was going to give it back to you guys. The second item received are the f.a.r.a.h Midnight Brushes Pro Trio. This retails for $48. I will actually be trying these when I do my Ipsy Ultimate unboxing and try on. I received these both in my Glam Bag Plus and Ultimate, so these are going to be set aside for a future giveaway as well. 3 brushes for $50 is really excessive, but when I looked at these brushes, they looked a lot more luxurious than their other brushes. Some people say that f.a.r.a.'s brushes look cheap. I think they look fine with respect to their packaging. Their bristles feel very nice. They haven't shed on me. They apply my makeup good. I like them. The pink collection is probably my favorite. I did do a dedicated review of the pink brushes. It will be linked in the cards and in the description below in case if you are interested. I did see Ipsy Shopper bring it back a month or a couple weeks ago. I didn't realize Ipsy repeated some of their shopper offers. I almost picked up another set because I really enjoyed those brushes. I don't think that they're cheap. I mean, this is what they look like compared to a Luxie brush, and this is what it looks like compared to a Sigma, so I haven't had any issues. Let me read about the trio. We get the 20 FF to buff in your foundation. We get the Cheeky End 218 for blush, and a stippling 40 FM to stipple on highlighter or bronze for a flawless airbrush finish. Third item that will be in a giveaway as well. We have the Jolie Cosmetics Spectra Stick in the shade Stella, and this retails for $26. So essentially I paid for this and I got everything else for free, since this is like the closer dollar amount for how much you pay for Ipsy Glam Bag Plus. This is a highlighting stick. I'm not the biggest fan of highlighting sticks, so I tend to put these in a giveaway. I just prefer a compact powder like my Ofra highlighters, where I just take a brush, swirl it up, and boop, on my cheeks, done. I just don't care for the consistency because it's more of a cream product. I don't really use cream products. I don't know how to make them work and to look good on my face. I've only tried Jolie's liquid lipsticks. I really enjoyed the formula. The pigment payoff is pretty good. There's not much transfer. Make sure you're subscribed. That way you know when I announce the giveaway that will contain these 3 items. I also have this Betty Boop bag. It has I don't even know what these are called. You move it like this, nothing changes, which is kind of disappointing. You could have put Betty Boop's face on it and done that. I received this bag in both Ultimate and Glam Bag Plus. Spoiler alert, so I'm gonna set this aside. So I'll just put everything together. Hopefully you guys can't hear the rain in the background. It hasn't rained in a hot minute here, but we need it. But it's also like, I'm trying to film here. Gotta get this video up. The fourth product is the Touch and Soul No Problem Priming Water, and this retails for $23. In a previous BOXYCHARM, we got the No Problem Priming Essence. So I wonder how this compares. They look very similar. So the priming water has a more of a translucent packaging, so you can actually see where it's filled. It has the expiration on the back. Looks like it expires 2022, January 13th. I see rose on here, and I love rose in my skincare. So let's see how it feels in my makeup. And I have my Luxie 510 foundation brush. This is the brush I like to take to apply my primers. And so it dispenses very similarly like the Essence, so they're very similar in that aspect. And I find these very hydrating. It's almost like putting water on your face, hence the priming water is the name of this product. But sometimes I feel like I still need a tacky primer. Like, this is good if I don't wash my face like I haven't done today. It's like a nice moisturizer, almost like a pre-semi-solid layer instead of going in with like the Pixie Milky Mist. I feel like this is how they function, because even after I use this liquid primer as my pre-layer, I would still go in with, let's say, the No Problem primer. If I didn't have this, I would probably use this in its place, is where I'm getting at. And I'm breaking out right here. And I am taking that as a sign, as I need to smile a little bit more, as the Joker would say. I know you're probably like, another Joker reference, this bitch needs to stop. I'm sorry, I'm obsessed with the movie. All nice and primed, and I am going to put on some foundation, and I just realized I was gonna show you guys the products and then test them out, but I guess because I'm only using 2 products, that's why we are just doing it all together now. First impressions, it feels the same as the Essence. I cannot tell a difference between the priming water and the Essence. Same products, dispenses, applied, feels the same way. I'm assuming it will apply my foundation the same way. I'm not gonna go in with the tackier primer. I'm just gonna go on ahead and put foundation on. This is my NYX Can't Stop Won't Stop on my trusty Sigma 3D HD Max Kabuki. I'm wearing a beanie because I'm having a bad hair day, but I also don't want to get foundation on it. We're gonna hope and pray for the best. You know what? We're just gonna have to deal with this weird foundation hairline right here because I don't want to risk getting it on my beanie. The priming water looks fine on my face. I don't look streaky. My pores are a little exposed. My makeup is not breaking up. So mainly just pores. It has like a dewy finish, so my face feels hydrated, which is good because your girl does have dry skin. It's not the best, but it's not the worst. I would still prefer a primer like this, but like I mentioned, this would be a good pre-layer like this, and then go in with this. It's excessive, but when you have dry skin, I think that'll be okay. If you have oily skin, I'm not sure if you're gonna like this nearly as much. Based off how it feels, that's my guess, and I don't want to put words in your guys' mouth. If you do have oily skin and you did get the priming water, let me know how it worked out for you. I thought I got a face palette, but no, it's an eye palette. I need to fill in my brows. This is the Ofra Universal Brow Pencil. I don't really care for this eyebrow pencil. I prefer the micro pencils like the Anastasia Beverly Hills Brow Wiz, even the Wander Beauty one, or Benefit Precisely My Brow. This brow pencil, I don't find it being universal. I also find it challenging to make my shape of my brow because it is like a pencil and they look very bulky. I've had it for a while. I'm just trying to use it up, and yeah, my brow looks like shit. It's okay. So we'll put some Anastasia Clear Brow Gel to maybe help the brows look not as shitty. It is what it is. Could be better, could be worse. We're in the middle. Last product. Okay, so the Tetris and the Ipsy collaboration, cool, whatever. I love Tetris. I don't really like Betty Boop. I'm not a big fan into it. Don't come after me. I just don't. It's not my thing. A second Ipsy collab though, like once a year, sure. We just had the Tetris one. Why are we having another one again? Why is this a thing? I guess if you want to buy the whole collection in an Ipsy shopper, Sure. But I just find it very filling and just an easy product to put in all the subscription boxes. That's just where I get annoyed. I want to see good brands. Not saying Ipsy's not a good brand. I just don't want to see it in the subscription box. And I get it. It's to save money. But when I'm paying for a subscription box, like, I want to see like the products that I expect in the subscription box. Yes, BOXYCHARM has collab with the brand. Hold on. I have it somewhere. They collab with Temp2, this thing. It's not like an Ipsy brand collaborating with a character or video game like how Tetris or Betty Boop. So that's the difference. That's why I didn't get as annoyed with BOXYCHARM, because even though I don't use that product, it's still with that brand is what I'm getting at. And my beanie is falling off, but I don't want it to hit my foundation. The fifth product is the Betty Boop eyeshadow palette, and this retails for $30. I would not pay $30 alone for this. This is what the palette looks like. It is a cool palette. I'm immediately drawn to that purple. An eyeshadow palette from a different brand, I'd be more excited about. But I'm not gonna write it all. I mean, I'm already jumping to conclusions, but I'm just telling you how it is. I'm keeping it real. Let's do some swatches and then we'll create a look. There's no primer or concealer on my arm to act as a base, and all my swatches are done from finger to pan to arm. One swipe only, otherwise noted. There are no names. This is what the top row looks like. Okay, pigment, it showed up in the brown shade. I'm just not impressed. I'm trying not to be negative. This box is just kind of meh. I just have a lot of feelings. And this is the bottom row. So the bottom row swatched a little bit better. There's only one matte in this, and that's the pinkish shade. I mean, overall, yes, every shade does have pigment throughout the entire swatch, even this purple one. Maybe this can function as a highlighter. It's just a cool palette that I did not need and no one asked for. I get it. I don't know much about Betty Boop, but these colors don't scream Betty Boop to me. I would have expected a black matte, a red, because isn't her dress red? Maybe like a pop of blue for her eyes. I hope her eyes are blue. I don't know. Take a picture of Betty Boop, make an eyeshadow palette based off like the colors that you see of her. Boom. What colors of these scream Betty Boop? Help me. And I wasn't impressed by the quality or the swatches. I'm not even excited looking at this palette to make a look. But because of the sake of this video, how I unbox and try on the products, we're still gonna put this on the eyes. Yes, I have my ABH primer, and yes, I should probably use that primer, but I am running low on that, so I am gonna retreat to my Urban Decay eyeshadow primer instead. This is like the primer I go to when I'm just wearing makeup every single day and not creating an over dramatic look. I've been using the Urban Decay primer since I have been into makeup, which has been since I was 14. So not feeling this palette. There's only one matte shade, and then we have some shimmer shades, and I feel like everything else is metallic. Panicking, fuck. This shade, I don't know. I don't know. Like I said, I am not feeling inspired. I know, metallic-y, shimmery shade, going on a crease brush, it's going in the crease. Wait! What the hell? Where? Hello? Pick up. Is me, Sebastian. Ring, ring. Ring, ring. God, it's there, but it's not there. You know how a shimmer can actually blend out well in the crease? This ain't one of them. All right, it's trying to make an appearance, and it's like a ghost. I mean, it is the color of Casper, the friendly ghost. And you're probably gonna say, well, you're not using your ABH primer. Girl, I feel like any eyeshadow primer could be comparable. Even if I use concealer, this ain't gonna show up. I don't even know what's gonna make this show up. I rest my case about this collab though. Well, it's a shimmer shade. I have put shimmer in the crease before. Shimmer belongs in the crease. So don't even. I know I'm being negative, but I'm just disappointed in Ipsy as a whole with launching Ultimate this month. I would have expected better brands. You shouldn't have had this stupid collaboration. I'm calling it stupid, yes, I know, I'm sorry. Not to offend the Betty Boop community, but no one asked for it. Everyone was thinking Ultimate, and this is not an Ultimate product. I know this is the Plus. I'm staring to find a makeup brush, but you know, the same products in Ultimate are in Plus, so get your life together. Let's try the, I mean, even purple wasn't showing up well. Purple. Go. I mean, not even that, like, popping. Purple. I choose you. Pikachu. Pikachu. Thunderbolt. No. Thunderbolt. Oh my gosh. gosh. And this purple shade was like the only shade I cared about looking at this palette. What is this? I'm gonna take the other side of this and maybe the gold. This one swatched the best. This one picked up the pigment the best. And this one's applying the best. In conclusion, oh, and it gave me Fallout too. In conclusion, I'm only gonna get use out of this shade. I know it's a terrible look. You know, at least that shade will look good all over the lid. Call it a day. Gonna buff this out. With no additional products, not like the shade showed up anyway. I'm gonna try one more thing, and it is this shade right here. That's a highlighter. I'm taking my Luxie 522 Taper Highlighting. What? Excuse me? It's not even picking up. Okay. I wanted to try another shade. It's like a topper highlighter. It's there, but it's not there. I don't even know if eyeliner or mascara can fix this. I hate this month's box. I'm sorry. Unpopular opinion. I don't know how my Ipsy profile picked out some of these things. I know I do like highlighter, but they need to put an option of, do you like cream highlighter or compact highlighter? I like compact, and that's it. It's very face heavy. I only got one eye product, which is unusual. Normally it's the reverse. Normally we get 4 eye products, 1 face product. Dr. Brandt, $79. It's a great product. Would I spend $79? No. Is it great to get in a subscription box? Yes. Betty Boop Ipsy That's So Betty eyeshadow palette. It is not so Betty. Do I think it's overpriced? Yes. Did it have good quality? Meh. The one shade. This one golden shade, which actually started going away when I was buffing it out with the crease brush. Would I buy it if it wasn't in a subscription box? No. Is the packaging cute? No. Are the colors Betty Boop? No. It's just a big old no. f.a.r.a.h brushes Midnight Pro Trio. Do I think it's overpriced? Yes. 3 brushes for about 50 bucks. We're good. I didn't touch the brushes yet. I haven't done my ultimate yet, but I do know that I got them in both. I'm so sorry for being so negative in this. It just wasn't a good month for me. I know subscription boxes are going to be hit or miss. The fact that Ultimate and Plus have the same products in it, that I would have expected better products, better variation maybe. I think because I'm feeling this way that Ultimate was such a bust, but it's translating into Plus, and I don't want it to do that. But I'm also annoyed because of the Betty Boop thing and getting a repeat product. And there's just a lot of different factors, and I hope you guys understand that. And sorry, I keep messing with the beanie. I'm not gonna sit here on camera and go, oh my gosh, this box is so good, when it really isn't. I don't like to be negative on my channel. I try to spread a lot of positivity just because there is a lot of negativity in the world. And every subscription box is gonna have a flop month. A lot of people were complaining about BOXYCHARM as well, which we'll cross that bridge in that video. They should have gone with like a Halloween theme. It's spooky season. And I think that's also, it's contributing to a lot of this. They could have done so much with Halloween and we just get crap product. They're not crap products, just not a good variation. I feel like it was just, here's a box and throws whatever products in it. If you got Ipsy Glam Bag Plus, let me know in the comments if we get the same products, if we get a different variation. Would love to know your thoughts on the same products that we got. The fact that I didn't even get add-ons. Okay, I did get add-ons, but they were on my ultimate. But I struggled with the add-ons because I wanted to buy some add-ons just because it's such a good price, but nothing really wowed me. So we'll talk about that. So even based off like the add-on selection, I knew it was going to be like a box, because normally I'm like, I need all the add-ons because of how many great products there are. If that doesn't tell you that it's a crap month, then I don't know what will. I know it's a flop for me. It might not be a flop for you, so I don't want my mood to affect it. Because I also try to take into consideration that my review is going to be a little bit different. Because I am a beauty enthusiast, I feel that my preferences and things are going to be a little bit different just because I am consuming at a higher ratio than like the average consumer. So that's why I also want to know your thoughts on the product that you have received. Thank you so much for watching. I really hope you enjoyed this video and found it useful. Don't forget to subscribe before you leave, and if you don't, thank you for the views anyway, and I'll see you in the next video.